Hello dear students, in this lecture we will see some examples of relational algebra. In last lecture we have seen what is exactly relational algebra and projection and select operation. Here in this lecture we will see some more example based on projection operation and select operation. The example I have given from the internet and source is already written here at the top of the slide. So we have three tables here: student table, enroll table and subject table. In student table we have ID and the name of the student. Enrolled in table we have student ID and the course code in which he has enrolled, and subject table in which the subject code is given and the lecturer is given who teach that subject. Now first example, I want the name field, that is name, and in that name field we want Joe, Hector and link these names. So what is the relational algebra that we use? That is pi name student. So pi, basically we use pi to show the field column values or field values. So here name is the field, and in name field we have Joe, Vector and link, all the records we want. So entire column we want, that means we use projection operation, that is pi name student. Student is the table name from which we have taken the names. The next example is also based on the same tables, that is student, enrolled in and subject table. Now which relational algebra is used to show the following output, that is lecturer, and in lecturer we have Curtis, Dave, Oliver and Roger. First of all, find out where is the lecturer field. Now here lecturer field is available in the subject table and all the lecturers are mentioned here, that is Curtis, Dave, Oliver and Roger. So as we need all the records, we need the entire column. So pi lecturer and in bracket subject table is there. So this is how you can show the entire column by using pi operation. The next example is the same. We have three tables again and we want the output as code and lecturer. So find out where is code and lecturer given. So here subject code and lecturer is given in the subject table. Now there are two ways we can write down the relational algebra. Here instead of pi we are going to use sigma, that is select operation. Why we use select operation? Because though code and lecturer, these two fields are there, we don't want the entire column or entire values or all the values from the table. We want some particular values. Which values we want? We want the values, for example, whose lecturer name is Curtis or whose code name is CS3010 or CS1500. So only two rows we need, and that's why instead of pi operation we use select operation, because we want only selected rows from the given table. So sigma lecturer is equal to Curtis subject. Subject is the table name. What is the condition here? Lecturer name should be Curtis. So lecturer is equal to Curtis, and operation is sigma because we want select operation. Another way to find out the same output is sigma code is equal to CS1500 or code is equal to CS3010 from subject table. So this is how we can use the projection operation or select operation. Thank you for listening.